Can we talk about getting a new loan for new construction?
Yeah.
Or just getting a loan for new construction?
So you typically see mainly buy-up buyers
Right.
getting into new construction.
So, yeah,
Maybe this is
after
their
you-
second or third home
Yeah.
where they want to build something because, they've seen on the marketplace, because of our limited inventory, they haven't seen what they really want. So that's called a custom construction loan. And what they need to do is find a piece of ground, and then they hire a builder to build the house. So how that loan would work is we would loan, if they're not currently own the land, we will lend on the property. Again, it becomes titled into their name. So if the property costs $100,000, we're going to fund on that.
Cool.
Then how the construction program works, they've provided the plans and specs. They tell us, okay, well, we want to build this kind of house on this property. It has, the specifications are the materials that go into the property. Is it going to have, what kind of flooring is it going to have? What kind of countertops is it going to have?
Yeah, all the details.
All the
everything.
details of what the house will look like upon completion.
Right. So that gets all written up and planned out after
Yep.
they purchase the home or purchase the land, right?
Well, it all happens all at once.
Right.
So it's called a one-closed construction, custom construction loan.
Cool.
So all that stuff is done ahead of time. So when I send it to the appraiser to appraise the property, he's going to give me a value based on completion. So even though there's nothing constructed on the ground,
Right.
he's got the plans and the specs
Yeah.
to be able to say, okay, this house will be worth X amount of dollars upon finish.
Right.
Okay? So how much the borrower has to put down in acquiring to do the project itself, if it's a purchase, because they're purchasing the land. However, if they are already entitled to the land, we don't care how long they've been seasoned on the land. So they could have bought it yesterday and then turned around and made application with me the next day,
Right.
and we'll treat it like a refinance.
Interesting.
So we will go off of the appraised value of the property. So in that instance, potentially they may not have to put a down payment down because the project itself is funding itself.
Whoa.
There's enough equity in the project itself to create the down payment.